I left New York City about 2 hours or so ago, and I'm heading up to the Tug Hill region of New York State, which is located just east of Lake Ontario. We are expected to get the first lake effect snowstorm of the season, and later this evening we're going to see snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. But I'll adjust my location accordingly, all depending on radar and where those heaviest bands of snow actually end up setting up. Stay tuned, and I'll have a lot more footage coming up.
Some lake effect snow moving through parts of New York State. For one, this is Redfield. They are most certainly no stranger to the lake effect snow, part of the Tug Hill Plateau, as we call it. They pick up more than 140 inches of snow on average each and every season. So they're like, yep, this is late October through about early May. This is what we get. This is what we come for. We love snow.